Hey guys, we
we
are
are
back
back.
again with another video, and this time it is
Kaj.
Kaj Bada Bada Vastu
Live
live from
from
Bora,
Bora.
and this is very interesting. I don't know why he is speaking so.
Let's go.
Guys, let's go.
Bada bada bastu. Ooh.
I love Bada Bada Vastu. I watched this from the very beginning.
Yeah.
Right, it was like the music video, and then
Then the live.
another another live performance,
Now
and
this.
every time it is very humorous and very entertaining to watch.
Yeah.
That's why we are doing it again because it's really really fun.
Yeah, it's new. One day ago it's live. Oh my god.
I don't know the lyrics, but that works for me.
Well, well. Well.
Honestly, these guys are really cute, and the
Yeah.
way they give humorous expressions
And
is really fine. Like, really fine. This is really, funny at the same time. They look really cute.
yeah, and they are wearing all shoots and tie,
Yeah,
and it
yeah,
looks good.
yeah,
Looks good on them.
yeah.
Look at their expression, man. They're doing one, two, three. Wow, they are standing tall, shaking hands, and all
The
this gesture.
stage,
That
honestly, is really small.
yeah,
Yeah, it's like a very
it's okay. Let's play.
small in a caged
Yeah,
area, kind of railing with everything
love
and
this.
everything. Oh,
Ooh,
oh,
ooh,
oh, yeah.
so
So many
good.
people. Like the stage is kind of small. I don't
Yeah,
know why the stage is really that small. I think this is stage that is created for this event
yeah.
purpose only. But I think the stage should have a little bit bigger so that they can move around,
I
have
know.
fun.
It's
Yeah,
small, but they are doing it. They
just
are loving
fine.
it just fine, man.
Yeah.
Ooh,
There is no background screens as well, so it's kind of a bummer,
yeah,
honestly, because background screens gives you the background that you need and makes you stand out from the crowd and
yeah.
everything. At this time, it isn't there, and the people in the background is also like they are
They
really
are having
visible.
fun. Look at the stage and
I
background of the
know, yeah, I
stage.
know, but yeah, the background
Yeah,
would have been killer because the song is really fire,
it's more
honestly.
like it's some kind of ground
Yeah,
in.
of course, ground.
Yeah,
It's like this is a stage that is
yeah.
made just for this event, and it will be taken down after this event only,
Okay,
probably.
lovely.
And there is a lot of temporary screens as well, which are used in a lot of these not auditorium, but rather these kind of stages.
Yeah,
In there
small
are
stage but big impact.
yeah, yeah, kind of like
Yeah,
that. We too have been to one of the concerts in India as
yeah.
well. It was a
Fest.
college fest kind of um, performance, and
Yeah,
they
in the
also
ground.
used a lot of bigger screens,
Yeah.
a lot of
A singer named Kunal Gajawala in the
yeah, yeah,
concert, and
yeah.
this was the best.
They also used a lot of screens, background,
Yeah,
backdrops, so that the singer and the light looks good in it. Otherwise, you can see those halogen lights,
yeah.
which are just there, and it's not really shining bright.
Shining light, yeah.
Yeah, that's all.
Let's
I
play.
mean, yeah. But the background is fire. Vastu. Oh,
Ooh, so good.
and the fact that those smoke those smoke releasing
Yeah.
things, the smokes literally looks like fog, because
Hmm.
it is a place where people are facing cold
Yeah,
times,
I know.
so it kind of looks like fog. It doesn't giving any wow factor at
I
this
know. I know.
point.
Let's play. Wow.
I love
Ooh.
Kaj. Yeah, me too. What a place! Look, there is snow.
Yeah. The wind out
Oh
there, man. It's
yeah,
cold.
it's cold. It's for sure. It's cold.
Guys, it's summer in here. We are using we are this is like 36 degrees Celsius right now.
No, 30, not 36,
32,
but rather
32.
it's
It
moving
feels like
between
36.
32 to 33 or
Yeah.
maybe 29, 33.
Yeah.
It's kind of like
It's
this
hot
in
there,
here.
right?
It's kind of hot. We
Yeah.
faced enough like 40, 40 to
Yeah.
45.
Where we
Yeah.
using air conditioner right now.
Because
That's why
it's really hot, and
it's really
with
hot.
the help of globalization and
And
everything else, it's
and India,
fun.
it's the hottest country.
It's fun.
That's
It's
why.
fun.
That's
No,
why.
not the hottest. There are several hottest
I
countries
know,
there.
but India is hotter than the
Yeah,
other countries. Like,
but if you go to maybe in Abu Dhabi or something,
I
some
know,
countries
I
like this,
know.
there is also, yeah, those countries are also
Also
really
hot.
hot because they're the middle of desert. So.
Yeah, that's why. Vastu, Vastu.
Oh,
They're cheering up the audience, man.
yeah, of course. This is a
Look
quality.
at the kid.
Yeah.
She's also enjoying the show, man. Vastu. Bara bara Vastu. Bara bara Vastu. Yay. Bara bara Vastu. Bara bara Vastu. Bara 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 Vastu. So good.
That's any award, I guess.
Yeah, it's
It's an
coming from I
award.
think San Remo.
Yeah, Sanremo
They are winner
award.
of San Remo, and
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
why.
yeah, yeah. That's
And they are
San
participant
Remo.
of Eurovision.
I know that. I
Also.
know that. Yeah.
Ooh.
Ooh, this is post celebration.
So much energy, guys. So good. They did some great job.
Yeah. It's a small crowd,
Yeah.
but that too works.
So
When you are
fun to watch
celebrating.
them live, man.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Ooh,
Amazing, guys.
nice.
Outstanding performance. How they do it, I don't know, but they are killing
They
it.
honestly, I have seen a lot of their songs. Of
Yeah.
course, through the Barabar Vastu, we got to know about Kaj,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
Kaj's performance, like their things are really
yeah.
nice. I like it. Thank you so
Yeah.
much, guys. If you're still watching, do like, do share, and also do subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, watch our other videos in the channel.
And
Bye bye.